Welcome back, Kentucky to Oklahoma. Well, listen, hear me out. I got so many damn. This is new. That's for the back. This is for the front. These two are for the front, and I'm replacing them because the studs on these are very, very bad. Very, 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 very bad. And these are all stripped. So ain't no way I can get those out. And this one, luckily, had an extra one laying around. Had this fits on these, I believe. Yes, it fits on these. Like, it's crazy. RZR 800 6-seater. Yeah, I put that one on here. It didn't fit. The tires was lopsided. I had to put the original one back on. That's why we came out for 2010. The models are different because look, little one. That's for the brakes. Yeah. The baby gonna get back running pretty soon. Well, in a few. It runs. It's just that little part. And this right here. Yeah, this boy right here, it's gonna be back running. It runs. I just need to adjust the carburetor. Just adjust the carburetor. And it's a bad little toy right here for the kids.